Okay, year nine. What I'm going to be doing today is we're going to learn about the food test. Now, obviously, this is a practical element, and it is one part of the practical you do need to know for your GCSEs. So you need to go to into Classroom, Google Classroom. And within there, you've got the food test. You can see you click on this video, and then what I want to do is I want you to watch this video. So flick through that video, watch that video, just think about what the different tests are for the different foods. Remember, you've got the different food groups that you mentioned last week, like your carbohydrates, which is made of starch and sugars, your proteins and your fats, and how we can test for them. Now, within your booklet, starting around about page 6, you have the different food tests in there, like testing for starch, testing for, if we scroll down, you've got testing for glucose, testing for protein, testing for fat. So you've got all those different information things in there. And what I want you to do with that is make sure you read through that, use the pages in your textbook as well. So in double award, you're looking at page 54. So have a, if you've got the textbook at home, have a look through that. And what I want you to produce is a summary of the food test. So I want you to get a piece of paper. This is someone's from yesterday's. I want you to get a piece of paper, divide it into 4. So you see how they've divided it into 4 here. Got starch test here, the fat test here, Bendix test here, protein test here. You need to watch through the video, find out what positive test is for the starch test, and then say what you do, say what you're looking out for. Then do the same for the Benedicts, do the same for the lipids, and then for the same for the proteins. Then once you've finished that, what I want you to do is then to on Google Classroom, within there, there'll be an assignment, and I just want you to upload it onto Google Classroom, and then and then just upload it onto there, and then I'll see what you've got. So make sure you've got all the correct results, and hopefully it will make it more sensible. You'll know what happens when you come into school and we do this test. You'll be able to get out your review cards and think, actually, starch test is what I'm looking for. Bended test is what I'm looking for. Same with the protein. So that's what I want you to be doing for today, and I want you to upload that as soon as possible once you have completed that. Okay. Obviously, if you're not in Hong Kong, you're going to find that difficult, but as long as once you've watched the video, upload it as soon as you can, and then you'll know what we're doing when you come back into school. Okay, thank you very much.